अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हम गैसेस के पोर्शन में से लास्ट 3 टॉपिक्स के 30 मोस्ट रिपीटेड एमडीकैट एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करेंगे। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज है, अकॉर्डिंग टू चार्ल्स लॉ एट कांस्टेंट प्रेशर द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ गिवन मास ऑफ अ गैस इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू इट्स। सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन ए एब्सोल्यूट टेम्परेचर इन केल्विन। एमसीक्यूज नंबर 2 है, एट 25 degree centigrade a gas has a volume of 2.50 liter. What will be its volume at 75 degree centigrade at constant pressure? So correct option A 2.9 liter. MCQs number 3 है, the graph of volume versus temperature for gas at constant pressure is straight line that extrapolates to zero volume at correct option A -273 degree centigrade. MCQ number 4 है, if the temperature of a balloon doubles in Kelvin while pressure remain constant, its volume will double. MCQ number 5 है, for Charles law to hold which quantity must remain constant? Correct option A pressure. MCQ number 6 है, at -23 degree centigrade a gas occupies 4 liter. What will be volume occupy at 27 degree centigrade at the same pressure? So correct option A 4.8 liter. MCQs number 7 है, absolute zero is defined as the temperature at which molecular motion ceases. MCQs number 8 है, absolute zero on Kelvin scale is, so correct option A 0 Kelvin. MCQs number 9 है, absolute zero in Fahrenheit is, correct option A -459 degree Fahrenheit. MCQ number 10 है, the concept of absolute zero arises from extrapolation of which gas law? So correct option A Charles law. MCQ number 11 है, the ideal gas equation is expressed as, so correct option A PV is equal to nRT. MCQ number 12 है, for 2 mole of an ideal gas at 300 Kelvin occupying 5 liter, calculate the pressure. So correct option A 9.85 atm. MCQ number 13 है, the product PV for 1 mole of an ideal gas at STP equals in liter atm. So correct option A 22.4. MCQ number 14 है, when using the ideal gas equation temperature must be expressed in, so correct option A Kelvin. MCQ number 15 है, the gas constant R has which dimensions? So correct option A energy per mole per Kelvin. MCQ number 16 है, which set of condition most closely approximates ideal gas behavior? So correct option A high temperature low pressure. MCQ number 17 है, the value of R in SI unit is, so correct option A 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin. MCQ number 18 है, for a given N and T, doubling the volume of an ideal gas will halve its pressure. MCQ number 19 है, which of the following is not a correct value unit combination for R? So correct option D 1 liter bar per mole per Kelvin. MCQ number 20 है, the gas constant R expressed in calorie per mole per Kelvin equals, correct option A 1.987. MCQ number 21 है, in PV is equal to nRT if P is in Pascal and V in meter cube, the approximate value of R is, so correct option A 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin. MCQ number 22 है, what is R when pressure is expressed in bar and volume is in liter? So correct option A 0.08314 liter bar per mole per Kelvin. MCQ number 23 है, deviation from ideal gas behavior are greatest at, correct option A low temperature high pressure. MCQ number 24 है, the compressibility factor Z equals 1 for ideal gases. MCQ number 25 है, in the van der Waals equation the constant A correct for, so correct option A intermolecular attractions. MCQ number 26 है, which gas behaves most ideally at 1 atm and 273 Kelvin? So correct option A helium. MCQ number 27 है, real gases approach ideal behavior when intermolecular forces are. So correct option A negligible. MCQ number 28 है in the van der Waals equation the term V minus NB accounts for. Correct option A finite molecular volume. MCQ number 29 है at very high pressure the volume of a real gas is greater than the predicted by PV is equal to nRT. MCQ number 30 है liquefaction of gases indicate deviation from ideality mainly due to. Correct option A intermolecular attractions.